Hi guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be making banana pudding. As you can see, this will be an easy recipe for you to make. Right now, I'm just putting the vanilla wafers in the pan, and then you're going to see me cut up some bananas and put on top of it. You can add a little bit of bananas or you can put a lot. I like a lot in mine. As you can see, I'm slicing them very thin. Comment down below if you guys like banana pudding. So I thought I was going to need 3 bags of vanilla wafers, but as you can see, I'm just going to be using 2. If you liked the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Also, make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos and so you can get notified when I post again. Okay, so once I was done with that, you're gonna see I'm gonna start on making the pudding. Okay, so here you just see me adding 4 cups of milk, and then I added some vanilla extract. Okay, here I'm gonna show you the banana cream jello I use. You're just gonna add both packets into the milk once the milk is hot. Don't forget, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you stir really well. Wow, oh my god, this looks so good. So right now you're just gonna see I'm gonna make a plate and I'm gonna add some whipped cream on top. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think and how it looks to you.